Okay, so this is an example of pixel art. You have questions here on the left. I've made a variety of questions so that you can see that it doesn't have to be just a math question. The first one is those, so I'm going to put 4 times 6 equals 24. When I click enter, you'll see the first part of the pixel art starting. Action word, I'm going to write verb and enter. Now, the, and if I decide that's an adjective, and I click enter, nothing happens because it's the wrong word. So I can try article and see, there we go. Now, I can try animals that eat plants, herbivores. And so you see there's a variety of types of questions that will give me the answers that I can ask all kinds of questions, anything you like. So if you want to change those questions, it's pretty simple. So let's say that instead of 4 times 6, I want to ask the opposite of big. I can also change this so that the questions show up better. And here I decide that the answer I want is little. So now I'm going to go into my pixel art here. Let me see. I'm going to look, first of all, I'm going to put 24 so I know, okay, it was this one. I put my cursor on this and I go to the question formula. And so I'm going to change this here, right here. Custom formula is B3 equals 24. I'm going to make it into a word. To do that, I need to put a quotation mark, little, and another quotation mark. And that will give me, so now that I'm done, my pixel art will not show up for 24 anymore because that's incorrect. I can change my answer to little, click enter, and now my pixel art works. So you can go through, change all of the questions, and go in and change whatever the pixel art was. So you just find where the pixel art is. I'll show you again. Put your cursor on that one of those. It shows up here, the formula. Open it up, change whatever you want for the answer, and then go back and change your question and answer. So it's quite simple. It's a fun way for kids to review and get automatic feedback to see if their answer was correct or not. Click done when you're finished with that. Yeah, and that's it. I've shared this with you in the Monday morning message, and feel free to download it if you want.